Welcome to the fourth video in our series covering House Bill 2381, which makes noteworthy changes to local board, employer, and PSPRS operations. My name is Joanne Lowy, and I am the Local Board Relationship Manager for PSPRS. This video will cover several changes to some of the benefit application processes that have been in place for decades. The coming changes that start in 2022 will impact local boards, employers, and PSPRS. Let's take a minute to review what application processes will change and what processes will not change. In 2022, there will be changes to normal retirement application process for public safety and corrections plan members. Changes are coming to the deferred retirement or drop, enter and exit process for public safety members, as well as the reverse deferred retirement program for corrections officers. There will also be changes to the processing of survivor benefits related to retired members, including guardian, child, and death benefits. The changes described in this video will not impact the following: disability applications, active member line of duty death applications, new and transferring member eligibility, and return to work determinations. Employers, local boards, and members also must be aware that the legal and operational changes will not impact any existing employer exit procedures for retiring members that are not related to benefits administered by PSPRS. These functions, which can include COBRA insurance, employer DC plan rollovers, and unused vacation payouts, remain under the duties of public safety and corrections employers. Okay, let's get started. Viewers may recall from our first training video that many benefit application duties and considerations will be transferred from local boards to employers. With the exception of a temporary transition period, and we'll cover that in a few minutes, employers will receive normal retirement applications from members and submit these forms to PSPRS within 10 days. As discussed, this process will also be used for drop, reverse drop, and survivor benefits related to retired members. To carry out this change, PSPRS has streamlined its benefit applications form to make applications simple for members and employers. The form, which will be made available in 2022, will effectively replace the electronic retirement spreadsheets previously used to generate retirement packets. Instead, member and benefit application forms will only require basic information, including name, contact information, benefit type, date of pending retirement, or date of retiree death for survivor benefits. Please note that these logistical changes do not prevent or prohibit local board secretaries or members from assisting retired members and eligible beneficiaries with filling out forms or understanding the benefit application process. Also, PSPRS will accept applications filed by members and beneficiaries and share this information with employers. Let's take a look at how this process will be carried out through a hypothetical example. Step 1. PSPRS receives a normal retirement application in 2022 from an employer working with a public safety or corrections member. When feasible, these applications should be filed 60 days prior to the member's planned date of retirement. Step 2. PSPRS staff will contact the member's employer to confirm the member's pending retirement date, credited service, and contribution record. At this time, and if necessary, PSPRS will work with the employer to reconcile any discrepancies that may exist in the employer's and PSPRS records for the retiring member. This process may require reviewing of periods of leave without pay and contribution and credited service history. Step 3. With all records reviewed for accuracy, PSPRS will provide the retiring member a monthly pension benefit estimate and necessary forms, including direct deposit banking forms and tax documents. The retirement packet includes directions and deadlines necessary for initiating pension payments to the member upon retirement. Step 4. The member, with or without assistance, completes and returns the retirement packet and necessary forms to PSPRS. Please note that all forms must be received by the 10th of the month of the member's effective retirement date. Step 5. With the retirement packet received, PSPRS will process and distribute pension benefits to the member upon retirement. So, we've covered the basics. Employers must submit the simplified benefits application form to PSPRS within 10 days of receipt from a retired member. PSPRS is requesting that these forms be filed at least 60 days prior to the member's retirement date to help ensure a smooth process. But what about applications filed in December for January retirements or retirement applications that will be needed to be filed with less than 60 days prior to a member's retirement? Good question. Here's how this will work. PSPRS will accept retirement documents generated from its retirement spreadsheets for member retirements slated for January, February, and March of 2022. Retirement packets completed during this transition period must still be filed with PSPRS by the 10th of the month in which the member seeks to retire. Please note that PSPRS will not require local board consideration and approval of these retirement packets. We will share information with the employer and work with them to reconcile any discrepancies to ensure members receive accurate and timely pension benefits upon retirement. Starting April 1st, all new, normal, retirement, deferred retirement, and retiree-related survivor benefit applications must be filed through the simplified form that will be made available in 2022. Again, I'm Joanne Lowy. Thank you for your time and your service to the great state of Arizona.